The clash industry is not alive. See, and places where I go. Me I do the world too. And you see that something like that, man. You say something like that. When me want to tell you, say, you see the clash industry right now, even in the Southeast culture out there, it's one of the biggest phenomenon in Europe.
What's happening?
No,
and,
no,
and outside of Jamaica.
It right through. It never stop. It never stop. Japan, Europe, everywhere. It never stopping up. The only place clashing now go on at Jamaica.
We say it now.
At Jamaica now go on. And you know what next thing too? See, as I said already, the artists of Jamaica, the soul system of Jamaica, all of them are cowards. All of them are cowards. They are coward. And they need to know, say, anytime the clash in, anytime our music have a clash of one, our music is more vibrant on the international stage. See?
So there's something about the clash that brings a certain high energy.
Yeah.
And that's what people love. Excitement. People in Jamaica love it. People outside of Jamaica love it. But at some points, these clashes became violent. Right? And so all people say, so all people say, coward man keeps sound born, right? Right. So some of these younger artists are going to
clash and clash and let's bad this tonight.
No, but let me tell you something. You have to understand, say, that's something I know. From Prince Buster them days and them man there. I'm badness, you know. Because man back up man in a studio and I'm boxing down and them thing there. So that thing they are going from long time and you have youths where you so in a them time the road boy them. Who used to follow Joe Creed song because Joe Creed and Caxton was the two most notorious song when have come out of Jamaica music industry, you know. See? So that's why we have Joe Creed records and studio one. See? So the thing is, man used to go so boom and got studio one dance, go mash it up. Road boy then go mash it up. And over the years the thing are going with clash and so. You know? Politics jumping at the something too. Politics jumping at the thing too.
And the police.
See? No, we don't reach police. Politics jumping at the something. See? And badness of inner it because sometimes you have a sound system and una affiliated to the PMP. And we got a labor right here I go play. You know? See, we have a bad because we're going at them here to play them and badness and we did everything come out. And if we go certain dance and we are lose, we pin up a sound to make them sound burn up. Because we no plan for lose. So you have a bad, you just have a notorious, no friendship not in there because the thing about clashing is you are famous here and it take one defeat and you drop down and you're dead forever. And you come off the road. I have taken a lot of sounds off of the road. One defeat, them are go on, and one defeat, and them sound no play back. We can't afford that. So with that dance, I would say, like we are out for lose, we broke fight or something, because we have a win.
So, let me ask you something. What you say it now go on in Jamaica? What is the reason why you think it's not happening in Jamaica? What is the problem why it's not happening in Jamaica?
One of the things we kill the culture at Jamaica is like everybody wants to be on this stage I know where they go so boom corporate stage. So because they want it on corporate stage, they now go say certain things. You know? And I might think that. I just run with my thing. So if corporate forward, say a corporate say them employ me for do a show. A Ricky Trooper, you go so boom and you employ. So I bring a Ricky Trooper because I have been to shows already. I mean that you're branching out and I was removing in genre and groove. And everybody I look at me and I say, I'm a Trooper that you know. I never say, hey, Trooper, how you ramp with? So I never say, you don't want to know. Hey, I want to go dead and really say, yes, a Trooper that and the place mash up.
So time and place. We have to separate what is the
but never forget.
But recently you have the last election where each one of the you know member of parliament, our
political parties
them, was using clash.
Yes.
For basically campaign. So if they use it for campaign, why would they be shutting it off when time for it come?
Because you're hypocrites. Nobody know what to talk to them, are hypocrites. Let me tell you something about that music here. See, that thing here, see, they know that this industry is one of the biggest earners. You know? But the thing is, them can't control that business here, you know, because we unruly people make music. When they go so boom, remember so one time, you know, when Bob goes so boom and try make peace at Jamaica, politicians send man to go kill Bob. See? Because they don't want the thing go so boom and govern. Because let me tell you something, our music is a rebellious music.
I want to go back to Shaggy's question, because I think we have glossed over it a little bit. What is going to bring back the clash culture in Jamaica in the way that we can experience that excitement again? We said, Trooper, you said, and we know there are clashes happening in Europe. Red Bull culture clash is happening all over the place. Is there a Red Bull person here? Red Bull in the house. Red Bull culture clashes are happening all over the place. They're at the highest commercial value, and only latterly did they come to Jamaica. We have had 2 of them in Jamaica so far. Manchester, South Africa. These are the things I study. Why we not having these clashes in Jamaica?
Is it that we make the things, we set the trends, and I mean, by the time they pick up and, you know, it's a big deal to them. We can't leave it. We have evolved. Because I don't think we might ever go back to the stage where clash in the form like Sting, where artists face off, it's appreciated as much as the record clash. For one, I'm not sure we have the talent where a man can go up on stage like Ninja Man used to, and you know, just spit out lyrics, look at the crowd, says a man in the crowd, say, where Ninja Man and write how you have a lyrics, kill him too. You know, I don't think, we don't have, what we have now is people who sit in the bedroom with some computer, they sing thing, correct the part, and then put it out, and then try and memorize it, and go. I don't think that type of performance can hold an audience. So, we move on now, so, yeah, we have evolved, and Europe now.
I'm not sure that we are saying.
So we're going to have to watch that
you can do it. You still have youth who can do it, and you still have youth who will do it in the future, because how it is. How you present it back to them, and as Trooper say again, some of them really afraid, and nobody know I lose, and so the coward is still there, but there still are people like that.
You know what? You know the thing what happening is a man who know for doing, I will run up on a man who don't know for it and burn a card on him, right? And him will feel it at that point, say it after, because you might say the man is not gonna clash in person, but when about things though. For alkaline run up on a cartel one night.
And say,
run up on an alkaline
you need some younger people.
You know what I mean? Depends on who it is, you know. You know what I'm saying? And once a man do it, a man gonna say, yo, oh, man, I forgot answer at that point. So it's not like, me don't feel like it that dead, that it will never happen.
It's just people believe in it.
But you might be right that you don't have the talent like that anymore.
You have talent, but
I don't think it's
know, people like me, who ever go to an artist and tell him, say, he must sing a clash song for next time. Because most people don't like do that.
We need more of you then to instigate the clashes.
But it's me, you know that enough time, I make enough of the clash. Who don't clash every time? I tell a man, say, you say something about this, or you go tell Ninja Man sometimes, I say, you Ninja Man, big argument to the man.
The other thing we need also then is
people
promoters.
People like that anymore, because he must say it done enough, so if he must say it done, you have other people that think say it done and it can't do. But when we go to the artist, and there's 22 that, you know, 2022, when we go to one artist and say 6 something gets the next one and tell the next one we take it. And then the young artists where when we go to rehearsal with them and them come here and say, well, I'm not sure them, but when we go to rehearsal with them, each of them differently, and hear them and sing. So we go say still the day of them young artists. So it's fair to say it is not there because you're not cinema, rehearsal, you're not cinema sing. But the music, the music in the house, you know. But you have people in the house too with the music who can talk and defend it.
Yeah, we have heard this point. I think we're at a point where we're in agreement that if we get some promoters and we get the kind of people instigating the clashes like Heavy D, coward people might in fact come out of their corners and enter a clash, right? So maybe this is where the revamp comes in. There is a revamp on the title of this panel. That there is a way to actually revive this clashing culture in Jamaica. Not that we want the violence, not what we want, you know, people getting into fights. But I think there are some valuable things coming out of clashing. The talent, honing your talent, being able to answer with lyrics, right? And also the capacity to, in the dance, the live dance, or whether it is that you're recording music, being able to hone your craft in such a way that can make you into a better performer.